am making this video. Hello, my students all over the world. I hope you have been enjoying my videos. I'm making this video just to give a theoretical knowledge, to share a theoretical knowledge of a pseudo first order reaction. Many actually do not understand what it is, but from this short video, you will get to understand what it is. Okay, the details about equations may not be required, but having you to just have an understanding about pseudo first order, so that whenever you come across questions that has to do with pseudo first order, you will know what you're actually doing. What is a pseudo first order? It can be defined as a second order or a bimolecular reaction that is made to behave like a first order. Okay, it's a second order reaction, okay, or a bimolecular reaction that is made to behave like a first order reaction. This kind of reaction occurs when one reacting species, when one of the reacting material is present in greater excess, in greater amount, in greater concentration, or that one of them is maintained at a constant concentration compared with the other substance. Okay, that is where a pseudo first order reaction comes in. Look at this reaction. I say it is a bimolecular reaction. Okay, it's a bimolecular reaction, or it is a second order reaction where, okay, it is made to behave like a first order. Okay, how do we explain it further? If this reactant, for example, this reaction is dependent upon this product, rather is dependent on the concentration of both A and B. Okay, but one of them must be present in large concentration. Okay, let me say, for example, that if B is in large excess, now let's say this one is in excess amount, excess concentration. Okay, if this one is in excess compared to this, and this one is in low concentration, but this one is in excess or in a very high concentration as compared to this, the reaction is considered to be a pseudo first order with respect to A. So with respect to this A, this reaction will become a pseudo first order. Okay, because here it is made to be in higher concentration, or that this concentration is kept constant. Okay, so it makes this one with respect to A, that this reaction is a pseudo first order reaction. Okay, you can see that where a bimolecular reaction is made to be a first order, okay, that is a pseudo first order. Another way is that if A, for example, if this one is in high concentration and this one is in low concentration, what can you say about it? It means that to this with respect to this, because this one is kept constant or in high concentration, and with respect to this, okay, that it is in a pseudo first order reaction with respect to B. So that means with respect to B, it becomes a pseudo first order. Okay, let me give an example. For example, you have ethyl ethanoate. For example, this ethyl ethyl ethanoate. Okay, if you hydrolyze it in water, you are going to be having ethanoic acid, okay, plus C2H5OH. Okay, let me say, if this is in this concentration, if this concentration is 0.5 mole per liter and this one is 15 mole per liter, okay, before the reaction, before, okay, and after it has been consumed, you have 0.01 mole, or let me just say you have 0 left here, and this one remains 15 mole, or let's say it remains 14.98 mole per liter. There is no significant difference here. That means it is still in high amount. Okay, that means it is almost kept constant. Okay, making this to be a pseudo first order reaction. Okay, after consumption. Okay, it makes this to now. So with respect to this that is in low amount because it has been used up, that you now have 0 left, that means it was totally used up and the other reactant is not used up. Or okay, or even when it is used there, it's just very low. There is no significant difference that it is being consumed. So with that, with respect to the one that is used up completely, it is a pseudo first order. But looking at it theoretically, it looks like a bimolecular reaction. It looks like a second order reaction. So a pseudo first order reaction is like a bimolecular, a second order reaction that is made to behave like a first order. This is the simplest way it can be explained, so that when you are writing the rate law will now be with respect to this, okay, that is being consumed. Okay, it will now be rate law equal to CH3 COOC2 H5. You see, I didn't include it. So this is a pseudo first order reaction, and vice versa. If this one is in low concentration and this one is very high, so that after the consumption, after it is being used up, there is no significant difference between the initial and the final concentration, then with respect to water, it becomes a pseudo first order reaction. Tell me you understand, and if you do, put in the comment section. And after you have done that, ensure you send it to somebody. Ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, put on your notification button, and also so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you will be notified. And also send this video to all your contacts, okay, in the social media. Thank you.